Welcome. I'm Dr. Jerry Nolan, and this is Love is the Answer. In this segment, we're going to examine starting our day with a dose of self-love and self-care. When we do that, we're then equipped to share our self-giving love to those we love and serve. I would like to share a personal example of what I do first thing in the morning, that first hour rudder of the day. You're going to fill in the blank with some whatever variety of variation on the theme that there is. I have to have something to eat first thing. You may not be that way, but I've got a mind and a stomach that tell me that if I don't have a little something to eat first thing in the morning, I'm going to wither up and blow away. Then I get on the bike and start going. And for me, exercising rigorously not only gets my body going, but it engages my mind and my spirit. It's not always easy. It's not always what I, quote, want to do, but it's what I need to do. As I'm riding, I either read or watch or listen to a positive, uplifting message that feeds my mind and my spirit. There are a ton of things that can be sent to you each day, or whatever feeds your mind and your spirit. There are a ton of things out there. Find what works for you. So I do that for 30 to 60 minutes. I got my body going. I'm feeding, I don't know if you have this, I have this perspiration addiction that when I work physically really hard, it just feels good. It engages my mind and my spirit. And when I do that, I'm ready to go. I've got a positive thing going. I'm starting the day on a high note. For years, I have considered this time sacred time. I very seldom skip the routine. If I skip it, I always regret it. And when I do it, I've never regretted. After an hour or so, I'm ready for a cleansing shower, a full, healthy breakfast. And now I've got my mind, my body, my spirit in a good place, and I'm ready to go out there and serve others. There are an infinite number of variations on the theme that I just described. Find what works for you, and perhaps a variety of things during the week is what's going to work best. Whatever it is, make sure you enjoy it, and make sure that it has a renewing, a nourishing impact on your life. Set yourself up to care for others by caring for yourself, setting that rudder in the first hour of the day. What you do really is up to you. That you do it is what's most important. We hope you enjoyed this segment. Please start every day on a high note with some self-love. Read our companion blog on our website, drjerrynolan.com. View our other videos on our YouTube channel, Love is the Answer. Follow us on Facebook, and as always, we wish you and yours an abundance of peace and love.